Welcome to my channel Ganit Matrix. If you are preparing for JNTU university exams like JNTU-H, JNTU-A, JNTU-K and another competitive exam IIT JEE, you are in the right place. Now this is area in Cartesian coordinates problem series. Problem number 1. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabolas y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay using the concept of double integrals. Now before going to draw the region, first we identify the intersection points. So how to find the intersection points? We equate the expressions for any of the variables. So here I am equating the expressions for the variable y. Since y square equal to 4ax, that means y equal to square root of 4ax, that equal to 2 root ax. X square equal to 4ay, solving for y equal to x square by 4a. This is the lower curve. And so equate these two expressions for y for getting the solution of x. Since x square by 4a equal to 2 root x, that means squaring on both sides will get x power 4 by 16a square equal to 4x. That means x power 4 equal to 64a cube x. Taking x common, x into x cube minus 64a cube equal to 0. And these solutions are x equal to 0 and x equal to 4a. Substituting these back, the intersection points are 0, 0, 4a, 4a. So how this x equal to 0, substitute here, then y equal to 0. X equal to 4a, x square by 4a, that means 4a whole square by 4a. 4a cancel, so we will get y equal to 4a. So the intersection points are 0, 0, 4a, 4a. And the graphical representation is this. Since y square equal to 4ax is a parabola symmetric about x-axis, and x square equal to 4ay is a parabola symmetric about y-axis, and this is the region common to both two parabolas, y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. Now next we want the limits of the double integral. Now I am evaluating, since the area formula is a equal to double integral or the region dA equal to double integral dy dx. Now I am taking the order of integration first with respect to y, next with respect to x. Since we are integrating with respect to y, we will take the vertical strip, right? We will take the vertical strip. And y limits are functions of x, x limits are constants. If we take the order of integration dy dx, y limits must be functions of x and x limits are constants. Now how to find the y limits, which must be a functions of x? Draw the vertical strip through the region and identify where this strip enters the region and where this leaves the region, and find out the expression for y in terms of x. Since it enters the region at x square equal to 4a, solving for y equal to x square by 4a, and it leaves the region, the strip leaves the region at y square equal to 4x, that means y equal to 2 root x. So y varies from x square by 4a to 2 root x, and x limits are, since here the lower boundary is 0 and the upper boundary 4a, so x varies from 0 to 4a. Plug in these limits. Now how to evaluate this? Integrating with respect to y. Integral dy is y, substituting the upper limit 2 root a into x power 1 by 2 minus substituting the lower limit x square by 4a dx. Now integrate with respect to x, 2 root a integration of x power 1 by 2 dx. That is, we are using integral x power n dx formula, which is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 4a, integration of x square x cube by 3. This is 4 root a by 3 x power 3 by 2 minus x cube by 12a. Substituting the upper limit 4a, if you substitute the lower limit x equal to 0, the total becomes 0. So substitute only the upper limit 4a. So a equal to 4 root a by 3, right? 4a whole power 3 by 2 minus 4a whole cube by 12. Now this is 4 root a by 3. Since 4 power 3 by 2, which is 2 square whole power 3 by 2, 2 cube 8, and a power 3 by 2 is a root a minus 4a whole cube 64a cube by 12a. Now this is 8 into 4, 32, root a into root a, 32a square by 3 minus 16a square by 3, which is 16a square by 3. Thank you.